Buddy, are you excited to go? Ian's sticking his pack on. Linda's all ready. And Bangu's super excited. This is our first time to Emma Lake.
Yes, so much.
Heading up the trail to Emma Lake. It's a beautiful day. This part is 600 meters up. Easy hike on an ATV trail. Lots of waterfalls, few creek crossings in this section. It's a lot of up, but this is the easy part. There's steeper to come. Here we come to our creek crossing. Cousin Al put a bridge in. That makes it great. Minor creek crossing here. Easy. End of the road for the ATVs. This is the trailhead to Emma. So there's 640 meters to go up. Gorgeous view down at the Eldred Valley.
Is it the right time?
Yeah.
Come on, bud, let's go. You can do it. Jeepers. Come on, bud.
Bit of a workout.
We only got about another 500 meters up to go. Up. Total elevation gain is about 1,200 meters, 4,000 feet approximately, in a little over 5 kilometers. Trails. Really steep up all the way. It's gorgeous the farther you go. Little side trail here to Scrub Lake. 3/4 of the way to Emma. Little rest stop here at Scrub Lake. Bypass route. View of the lake.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh, yeah.
This new section is awesome. Bypass road's got a little bit of steep stuff in it. It's bad. Emma Lake Cabin. here we are, end of the day, having a campfire with the hiking friends. Our tummies are full after eating a nice dinner. And the moon is coming up over the hill. Watch for day 2 video. Here's a little sneak peek of the morning.